finally decided to show your stupid face.
He got you pretty good, didn't he, son?
Yeah, I couldn't lay a finger on him.
I'll take care of these guys.
By yourself?
Dad!
Come on, let's make this a little more fair.
Strange. Why is he so calm? It's like he doesn't have any intention to kill at all. It can't be. No, that's not possible. He can't have become the legendary Super Saiyan. Not him.
You can't beat me. I don't need to fight you to know that.
That's funny. You're a comedian. Too bad I have to put an end to your jokes right now. You ready? Finally get to use the special move I've been saving. Don't even try to run, because I'm going to send you to Otherworld.
Power level is higher than any Saiyan I've ever seen. Is the legend true? Has he become a Super Saiyan?
Now what are you going to do? Will you go back to your own planet, or would you rather I knock you back there myself?
Brother, did you hear that? Can you believe the nonsense that idiot spouted? He thinks that since he beat Raccoon, he can beat us. We're the Ginyu Force, and our powers are second to none. It's time we showed you what that means. Come on!
It's all the same to me, but you guys are way too careless.
Fight what?
You punched it back! How did you? You snuck behind me, the fastest warrior in the universe!
Maybe you should change that to second fastest.
You? What are you?
Apparently, I'm a Saiyan raised on Earth.
Don't make me laugh. A Saiyan could never be that fast. The second you wear yourself out and slow down, you die. The more you give me for
Kakarot, what are you doing? Finish him! Finish him off!
This is a nightmare. To be defeated. Helpless.
Damn it! So darn soft! So naive! You can't beat Frieza like this! If you're going to fight him, you'd better prepare! Frieza's far stronger than you could possibly imagine him to be!